I'm Sarah and I'm just going to show you a really simple shortbread cookie recipe. I'm actually making these because my kids have got end of year class parties on tomorrow. They're meant to bring a plate. And shortbread is just so nice and simple to make. Make little stars. You could half dip them in chocolate and put sprinkles on. That looks fancy. If you've got proper butter, they will taste infinitely nicer. I'm going cheap with table spread. Still fine. Especially if they're kids, they won't care. Now, so we want about 125 grams of butter, half a cup of icing sugar, there you go, just until then, nicely combined, kind of like scrambled eggs. To that we're going to sieve in 1 cup of plain flour, and half a cup of cornflour. I just use that good old ham stuff. Again, I've seen there's different recipes for this using, you know, different 1, 2, 3 rules with the quantities and all this sort of stuff. But you know, this one works pretty well. I've also seen like 3 ingredient recipes that just use plain flour and not the corn flour. That's fine, you do you. I just find, much like with using icing sugar instead of caster sugar, it just helps with that really, really nice sort of soft, typical shortbread texture of it. Instead of whizzing it, because that flour is going to go everywhere and I will make a disgrace of myself, I'm just going to start mixing it with a spoon, and then I'm going to get my hands in there and just start smooshing it together. You should just sort of keep folding that over together and it should just come together as a really, really nice soft ball. Now you've actually got options. You can either roll it out and then make it into shapes, or you can just literally grab off little balls, roll them into ball shape, press them down so they're sort of about 1/2 centimetre thick, maybe just over that, and just put them straight on your baking tray as little balls. I'm going to make mine into star shapes because, quite frankly, I'm feeling festive. Why not? Some people use a couple of sheets of baking paper instead to roll it out. Some people say to refrigerate the dough for 1/2 an hour to an hour before rolling it out because it makes it easier. That's fine. I just you know, I just do it. It's about 1/2 centimetre. Punch out my stars. Of course, another good one for like school parties and that sort of thing is gingerbread men. I might link down below my recipe for gingerbread men too. That's always a good one. I just put them in the oven, 180 degrees, for about 15 minutes. Look how gorgeous they are. So they've just very, very slightly started browning a little bit on the outside. One I couldn't make a star with, so that's my testing one. I'm going to be a bit festive. I did break some of them, loosening them up, but I might do some icing, and so I'll be able to patchwork them a bit. So in the way of icing, I'm just going to do really plain icing, just icing, sugar, water and a bit of food colouring. I'm just going to like drizzle them over. That's my cunning plan. While they're drying, do we need to have a taste test of broken ones? Oh, you pick a broken bit. Mmm. They are buttery. They are shortbready.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Mum's making biscuits for the class parties at school.
I have to make some for my workies now.
Make some for your workies.
Yeah. If her classmates get some, my workies want some.
Give it a go. Nice, easy recipe. Really simple way of decorating them too. And effective, I think. So there we go. Hit like, leave us a comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next week. Bye.